And today, like we
Pleasure.
are discuss on that, like no, a very hot topic and very interesting
Uh-huh.
and useful topic also, COVID-19. Yeah, like
Wow, amazing.
exactly. What is the full form
Thank
of
you.
COVID-19?
Ma'am, the full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 19.
Oh yeah, when it like no, it first started and where it first started.
Actually, ma'am, this COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19, whatever we say, this started off the first in the year of 2019 in the month of December. And
Hey everyone, fantastic welcome to our YouTube channel English Up by Lakshmi. My name is Lakshmi and I am from Andhra Pradesh and professional I am an English teacher. Yeah, today an interesting person is there and like amazing and knowledgeable person is there, Sayan along with us. And Sayan, please could you please introduce about yourself?
yes, ma'am, sure. Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. This side is Shayan addressing to all of you from India. Basically, in my profession, I'm a BTech holder from civil department, and at the moment, I'm a job seeker, and I want to enroll myself in a government job exam, and I'm trying to crack different sorts of competitive exams. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, thanks a bunch, Sayan, for be a part of in my YouTube channel again and again, and thank you so much. And today, like we
Pleasure.
are discuss on that, like no, a very hot topic and very interesting and useful topic also, COVID-19. Yeah,
Wow,
like
amazing.
exactly. What is the full form
Thank
of
you.
COVID-19?
Ma'am, the full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 19.
Oh yeah, when it like no, it first started and where it first started.
Actually, ma'am, this COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19, whatever we say, this started off the first in the year of 2019 in the month of December, and in the country China, and in China one city is there named as Wuhan city. There it has been observed in the first, like in a laboratory, a doctor was doing some experiments, or due to a sort of miscalculation, or misunderstanding, and the mixture of some odd chemicals, this virus has taken the growth, and now it has spread all over the world, and now it's called as a pandemic. The,
Exactly. In
yeah.
which city they recognize like it's a coronavirus? In which city?
Yes, ma'am. You know what? In which city means, it's in many, like in Agartala, in Bombay, Maharashtra, then Nagpur, Pune. You know what? Many such cities are there that is quite affected. But one country is there, like Australia, because my cousin is there in Australia, and you know what, ma'am? This Australia state, it's a very huge state, but the population over there is very small as compared to its country. So you know what, when in the year 2020, when I called my cousin that, hi brother, how are you, then he told me, yes, I'm fine. So then I told him that what is the situation in your country. Then he told me, yeah, it's fine. This corona is not that much, no one is that much affected, because the country Australia is very large country, and as compared to the country, the population of Australia is very much less, so people are not that much affected. But maximum people are affected in Bombay, because it's a huge state. Fine. Bombay,
Exactly.
it's a metropolitan city, and maximum to maximum people, they are affected. And you know what, many people are dying also due to this COVID-19.
Exactly. Exactly. No,
Yeah.
like no sanitizer will helpful to know like like a reduce like a effective against COVID-19. Hand
Ma'am,
sanitizer.
ma'am, see, if we will use the hand sanitizer, see, to some extent, because you know what, see, the if we will say that, if we will use that hand sanitizer, fine, we can use, but you know what, we have to understand that how this coronavirus disease spread from one person to another. Suppose, fine, two person are there, one person is affected due to this COVID-19, another person, he is completely fit and fine. So if that person will touch the other person, then the person will not get affected. Only when that affected person, when the person will cough, the person will sneeze, then the droplets that will come from his nose or his mouth, if that droplet will enter in another person's nose, eyes or ears, fine, or mouth, then this disease can be spread. Apart from that, by touching, this disease can spread. And yeah, hand sanitizer we can use, but you know what, excessive use of hand sanitizer is very much harmful for your skin also. It can cause skin rashes also, because you know what, alcohol is there. It's very
Exactly.
much harmful.
Shall we make our own sanitizer? Do you have any idea about that?
Own hand sanitizer, yeah, ma'am, nowadays, science are becoming very much updated. So you know what, people, they won't prefer of making their own hand sanitizer. Apart from that, they only prefer that, they will go to the market and they will purchase one sanitizer, fine. They won't prefer that, yeah, I will make my own sanitizer and then I will use it. They won't prefer, actually. They will prefer only going to the market and purchase it from either from online or from the offline platform.
Exactly. That some chemical, like chemical sanitizers, they will harmful to us at the same time, like particularly it's very harmful to children. No,
Obviously, ma'am. Yes,
very
ma'am.
harmful. That is the reason
Correct.
maybe like how many times we should have clean our hands. It's like useful like
Yeah,
no Dettol or Dettol liquid or
yeah,
whatever. Dettol is like no
yeah.
a very 100% is best to no clean our
Correct,
hands. It's a safe
correct,
to
correct,
yeah.
correct.
Like what are the treatments are available like no for COVID-19 like treatment of COVID-19?
Ma'am, you know what treatment of COVID-19 is there? First of all, the thing is that, self-isolation. If you think that you are suffering from, first of all, the symptoms, fine. Suppose if a person is suffering from COVID-19 disease, then, you know, he will get severe, many such symptoms like headache, fever, respiratory problem, then, lack of taste, lack of smell, then headache will be there. Many such symptoms will be there. And from 2 days to the fifth days, the person, he or she will be able to feel that, yeah, I'm suffering from that COVID-19, fine. Then the only precaution is that self isolation, fine. Just don't go outside, don't, don't get, don't come in contact with any person, because if one person is affected from this COVID-19, and if the person will move out and the person will meet other person, then that person will also get affected, fine. So it's far better stay in your own home and stay safe. And you know what, the main thing is there, rise your immune power. That is the most important thing, fine. And if possible, visit a doctor and consult your doctor. That is the main thing.
Exactly, exactly. Like is the vaccination is useful for like not taking, like to prevent, like COVID-19? Is it useful for vaccination?
Ma'am, see, you know what, I can't say that, what, vaccine is very much important, because in my area, the place where I live in Agartala, you know, one person is there, he took second dose of Covishield, fine. And after a couple of days later, he got affected. In fact, his full family got affected due to this COVID-19. Maybe they are now fine, because already they, as if they have completed their course of vaccination, so they are now quite fine. But you know what, see, vaccine is just only a precaution. Vaccine will work like, if suppose you took the vaccine, you took the second dose of Covishield or Covaxin, whatever, then if you will get affected due to of this COVID-19, then you will have to suffer, but not that much. You have to suffer like, uh, fever, cough, but not that much. It will not be that much of harmful for your health. Yeah, it will help you from getting very much weak, or from getting that much, feeling weak or something like that. But no one can assure, even the doctors, doctors can't give you assure that if you will take the second dose of Covaxin or Covishield, whatever, then you will not be able to get affected by this COVID-19. It's a myth.
Exactly. Even my neighbors also got, like a virus after taking first dose of vaccine.
Obviously.
Like
Yeah,
no,
and
like more points, like no, maybe 9 or 10 points also. They got that virus.
yeah, actually, ma'am, you know what? My own maternal uncle is there. He stays at West Bengal. Fine. He's a very much fit person, very healthy, very fit person. Fine. He took the first dose of Covishield. Fine. And after a couple of days later, he got affected, and his condition was so much bad that when he visited his doctor tested him positive, and when diagnosis starts, his oxygen level reduced and has reached in the level of 68 or 69, something like this. And when his doctor did that x-ray of his heart, of his lungs, then it has been found that 98% of his lungs was fully destroyed. Then because the COVID-19 has different wave, first wave, second wave, third wave, but the wave in Kolkata is very very much harmful. It will affect your lungs directly. So COVID, vaccine is not that much beneficial as people think.
Yeah, what do you think? Like, do you think, how many years it will take time to reduce, like, to get rid of this problem, COVID-19 problem? How many years it will take time?
Ma'am, you know what, as if government has declared this as a pandemic. Fine. So couple of years is required for sure, because you know what, a time, yesterday also I got one news that 551 person in Agartala, they got affected, and 3% died of COVID-19. Yeah, and in our district, in the west district of Agartala, it's the highest, like 100 and something. It is the most highest. Fine. So it will take couple of years time. And you know what? Government has imposed curfew, lockdown, but still, you know, we are seeing that people are roaming with scooty, with their bikes here and there. They are not taking it of that much seriously.
Exactly.
If people will, if any people, they will not be that much of cautious, that much of aware of it, then it will goes on. No one can stop this.
Exactly. A lot of, masks, variety of masks are there, varieties are there.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
what is you will get, like, wearing mask. Like some people have to wear the mask, maybe, like a 12 hours or 10 hours, more than that
yeah,
also.
yeah.
But what are the risks, like using a mask, different mask, and like how should we follow, like, that precautions wearing mask, like while going outside, particularly?
Okay. Ma'am, you know what? I will explain with some valid example. Firstly, you know what? Virus, we can't see the virus in naked eyes. Fine.
Yes.
You will have to use some electron microscope. Fine. So now, in the year 2020, I heard of one interview. One doctor told that, like, people are wearing that surgical mask or normal mask. If you will wear that surgical mask or normal mask, then this is only benefited, this only benefited, to help you to prevent that dust particles in the
Exactly.
atmosphere. Fine. Apart from that, if any people think that wearing a mask, that mask will be very much useful for the COVID-19 virus, it's a misconception.
Yeah.
Because the size of the virus is very very much small in size. It's a teeny, it's a micro in size. Fine. So by using this mask, you can't avoid the virus, number one. Number two is that, we inhale the oxygen and we exhale the carbon dioxide. Fine. But the thing is that, if every time, like, you are going somewhere in the market, or you are walking in the morning or evening time. Fine. If you are wearing the mask every time, then what will happen? You can wear single mask or double mask. What will happen actually if the mask will remain completely attached with your face, with the mouth? Fine. In this case, if you will wear the mask continuously, then what will happen? As if you will exhale the carbon dioxide, so the carbon dioxide will not be able to move in the environment. Then when you will exhale and when you will again inhale, you will have to inhale that carbon dioxide only. That is very much beneficial, I mean very much harmful for your lungs, for your heart. Fine. So I think that, yeah, like using a mask, wearing a mask every time is of completely no use. It's a misconception. That's the thing.
Like some people, like knowingly or unknowingly, wantedly, unwantedly, they are using, like inside their home also, like mask, wearing mask. They have some fear or they have some, like, taking
Yeah,
precaution. Yeah. Is it good? Is it fine to
correct.
wear mask inside a home also?
uh Ma'am, see, you know what? It's different. See, different persons are there of different perspective. Fine. If I will say, or if you will say, it's not good, it's incorrect. Then you know what? There will be a sort of argument, a debate will be there. So it completely varies on person to person. Because if I will say no, it's of no use, then any person will say that you are like it's useful. You can't reach out to any such conclusion. There will be always one argument. Fine.
Yeah.
So I don't have anything to say about it.
Yeah. Like if you go, like people got virus, either like it's a
Yeah.
good treatment, like home treatment is good, or otherwise, they have to go hospital. Which one is better
Ma'am,
to?
ma'am, see, if you are affected or if any person is affected due to this COVID-19, and if the person will stay in home, fine. Then you know what? Yeah, self-isolation is very, very much important. But if you will stay in home, then you will not be able to get the proper treatment.
Yeah.
Fine, you will not be able to get the proper treatment, the treatment that you will get if you will visit any hospital. Fine.
Yeah.
So I will prefer, because you know what, in hospital many such doctors are there. They will provide you very useful, very fine. And if you will stay in home, and then if you will say that, yeah, I have, I'm staying here as a self isolation, then it's of no use. I will prefer that consult your doctor, and then you know what go to the hospital, because doctor and the doctor in hospital, they will be able to examine you properly by different sorts of tests, like sonography is there, ECG is there, scan is there, different tests are there. Fine. And they will be able to get to do to to vaccine, to give you the proper vaccine. And then you will be able to cope up with your disease. Apart from that, you will not be able to cope up. That-
Exactly. And then, like
yeah.
how we can prevent, like COVID-19? What are the like remedies we should follow to prevent that COVID-19?
Oh, remedies, like ma'am, the thing is that don't get assemble with friends, or with any person in a particular venue. Like a time was there where, like when we used to go outside, we used to meet up with our friends, we used to do gossip, this and that. We have to prevent this. Fine. And the thing is that, you know what, if it's not that much of important to move outside from a house, stay in your own home. The more you will stay in your own home, you will stay safe. Because you know what, the main thing is that, suppose you are going outside, fine, you went in a place where maximum people, they are getting assembled together, and they are doing they are doing gossip and this and that. Fine. In that place, if you will also go there, then there will be a strong chance to get connected with this COVID. Fine. So I will say that one that home outside, it's not that much of important. Stay in your own home, stay with your family, make yourself safe and keep others safe. Like your family members, your cousins, whoever is there, keep them safe. That's it.
Exactly, exactly. No, just the three things are enough, like wearing the mask and using the sanitizer, it is like we have to use that good sanitizer, it's not harmful to us, for us,
Yeah,
at the same time, if you have that, no important work, then only you cannot go outside. Otherwise, you don't go outside. Yeah,
exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
like people are afraid of that, some people they are hiding, even though they got virus, they are hiding. They don't want to tell,
Yeah,
so neighbors also.
yes,
They have that fear
yes,
of, we got that virus, and maybe people no, don't like to us, or don't like, no, they have to,
correct.
stay away
Yes,
from. That is the reason people
exactly.
try to they don't want to tell, and they are hiding. And even though they got that virus, and they are going outside, and they are like, no, just wandering this and there, and without any precautions, taking any precautions, without telling to others
Correct,
also. This
correct, ma'am. Correct.
is not fair. That is the
You know
reason.
what? Yeah. You know what the main thing is that suppose you know what if any person if he or she will get affected, they think of that, yeah, if I will convey, I will share it to everyone, then people will not talk with me, they will not be able to have some conversation with me, so they hide it. They
Yeah,
hide it because they don't want to share it, because
yeah,
they think that people will hate me, they will ignore me. But I will say it's a full misconception,
yeah,
because see, if if any person is suffering from that COVID-19, and if the person will not share this with her friends or with her family, then you know what, fortunately, I mean unfortunately, you know what, other people will also get affected, because they will come and they will meet with that very person and they will also get affected. So it's a request to everyone, guys, that if you are suffering from that COVID-19 virus, then please don't hide this, don't feel that it's a matter of shame or shy. Share it with your family, share it with every person, so that by sharing you will make them cautious, you will make them aware, so that they will not come in your house, or they will not meet up with you. And if they really want to talk with you, they can call you, they can call you in a normal call, or they can have some video conference with you, like, hi, how are you, this and that, fine. But no need, but you know what, no need to come in anyone's house, or getting assembled in a particular venue. It's a hilarious things ever. That's it.
exactly.
Yeah.
Particularly, whoever has children at their home, it's like very dangerous to we have to first know what are the symptoms, and what should we have to know that, for example, we got that virus, and we have to know, fever is there, fever, just we got that fever, but some people don't like to, they don't want to go outside and take the treatment. They are not ready
Yes.
for that because of,
Yes.
oh God, maybe these are symptoms, no, coronavirus symptoms are normal fever. They
Obviously.
have first identification is important. Then after taking
Yeah.
precaution, no, preventions that are important. Then after telling, going outside taking treatment is important. But almost all people, they are
Obviously.
hiding, and they are taking no, like a home treatment there itself, and after that they are affecting whole family. That is main very,
Obviously.
no, yeah,
Yeah, like you know what, as if I told that if a person is affected, fine, and the person is, then the person will think that no, I will not share it, I will only share it with my family, and I will not visit a doctor, I will not go in the hospital, I will only stay in home. That is
yeah,
the self isolation. I would like to say to those person that, sir or ma'am, if you will say that home isolation is the best, then you know what, maximum hospital. Now, if any person will visit hospital, every beds are occupied. No bed is there. You will see that vacant. It's no patient is there. Every such bed is full occupied. Fine. So why the beds are occupied? Because people think that it's far better to go to the hospital and to take the proper medicine instead of staying in the home, because the more you will stay in your home, the more a chance is there that you will affect the other person also. Fine.
Ex-
Because and yeah, and if you will stay in the home, what sorts of precaution you will take? Maybe you will take some paracetamol or maybe some normal tablet, but
Yeah,
this is not the proper medicine of this COVID-19 to get relief, to get cope up with that COVID-19. Fine. So that is the important thing, is that if you think you are suffering from headache, respiratory problem is there, you are having a difficulty in your breathing, or the thing is that you are suffering from that asthma or fever, don't don't get late. Please consult your doctor and if possible visit any hospital, get the admission over there, and then get the proper treatment, and for sure within a couple of days you will be able to get relief from that COVID-19, or you will be able to cope up with that COVID-19 virus.
exactly,
Yes.
exactly. Sayan, in my point of view, just I am thinking like that, last year also, like the people, almost all people, like education sectors are like, no, doctors are said like that, oh, this year is okay, second year it will like get rid of this problem. But in my point of view, I'm thinking like, no, there is no like a complete remedy for COVID-19. It will
There is no
continue.
such remedy. You know
Yeah,
what? Because you know what the thing is, I see vaccines are there, masks are there, sanitizers are there, but you know what? No people, forget about the people, even no such doctor of
yeah,
any state, of any country, they can assure that this is the perfect medicine or this is the real medicine for the
ex-
COVID-19 virus. No doctor can give you assure that if you will take that medicine or if you will take that vaccine, then how far you will move with your friends outside, if you will get assembled in a particular venue, if you will not maintain any such social distance, then you will not get affected due to this COVID-19 because you have taken this medicine or you have taken this vaccine. Till date, since 2019 till date, it's 2 years already. Till date,
yeah,
there is no such vaccine prepared. There is no such medicine is there that can say, that can speak properly, that consume me or take me and I will, once you take me, you will not be able to get affected of this COVID-19. There is no such medicine till date.
exactly. How we will like will get like virus, viral fever, or like no typhoid, dengue, malaria, like that. This is also one type of fever. It will
Yeah,
continue like no 10 years or 5 years. Like no, there is no guarantee. No one will
no
take
guarantee.
guarantee to us. Even a
Yeah,
big doctor, like no, yeah,
you know what happened in the year 2020, while I was pursuing my BTech. Fine, I heard one news that couple of person like BSF or TSR, they are affected of this fever, and they thought that they are
normal.
affected of this COVID-19 virus. Fine,
Oh,
and they tested positive, but after a couple of days later, when the doctors from the center, that is from the Delhi, they came and they tested, they found all of them as negative, and they saw that it's only a normal fever that we say as dengue or malaria. It's a normal fever. It's not a fever of that COVID-19. It's a normal fever. So that is the main thing.
we should like we don't fear about that the virus, and we have to like be a bold and like no brave person. Then only we
Yeah,
can get a problem like no, this virus, whoever people like got affected of this virus. And first we have to know like be like no take a home like a treatment in at our home itself or go to outside, but we
correct.
have to tell others, we have to share to others what we are affected and we got virus. Like no using all these like no precautions are like no we have to prevent COVID-19, then only we
Correct,
can
correct.
prevent, otherwise we can't. We have to
We can't.
be
Actually, we can't.
aware of- yeah,
Actually, we can't. And you know what? Nowadays, you know what? This COVID-19, this pandemic, this disease, COVID-19. You know, ma'am, what the thing is that everything in the world has its merit and demerit. Fine.
yeah,
But if I will say any person, if I will ask you or I will ask any person that ma'am or sir, what is the demerits of this COVID-19? You can give me the answer easily. But if I will ask any person that ma'am or sir, what are the merit, what are the benefited, what are the benefits of this COVID-19, then no one can give the answer. No one. That is the main thing. And I will say to everyone that please stay in your own home. If it's not that much of urgent, don't go outside, because if you really want to get connected with your friends, social media is there, video call is there, make a video call, make a conference video call with your friends, and then have some conversation with each other. But don't go outside, because you know what the main thing is, that it's a disease that if once entered in your body now, a great possibility is that it will destroy your entire family. Within
Exactly.
a couple of days, within a couple of days, it will destroy to your whole family. And then if you will repent also, if you will repent from the core of your heart, then this will be of no use. So
Not
you know what, a quote is there that prevention is much more better than cure. Fine.
pure.
So getting affected due to this COVID-19 and then rushing to the hospital, taking the vaccine, taking the medicine is far better than to stay home, stay safe, and
Exactly.
and and make your family also safe.
Yeah,
That's it.
exactly. Same time, like a Sayan, almost in our India, middle class families are there, middle class people
Correct.
are there. How to go
Correct.
outside, getting earning money. Without earning money, we can't survive. Use the
Obvious.
no, just we have to take the precautions, like use the sanitizers or no
Yeah.
Dettol or whatever it may be. Use the mask and use the maintain the social distance. That is very very
Correct.
important. Last
Correct.
year also lockdown is there. Last year almost
Yeah.
all people
Yeah.
90% or 99% people are stayed at home. But what is the how we will get money? How we will earn money? Without money we can't survive.
Obviously.
For that
And
reason,
yeah, and ma'am, sorry, but for the internet, but uh, I have one brother-in-law from Bangalore. He's a civil engineer, fine, in a private company. In the year 2020, his boss told all the officers, I mean all the employees, that no need to come to the office. You guys now do work from home, fine. And they are very happy that no need to go to the office, no need to travel from through bike or car, whatever. They will do work from home. After a couple of months later, what happened, they got one notification that, as if it's a pandemic, there is a lack of money, lack of capital. That's why 300 people will get completely fired from the company, will get
wow.
completely fired. And my brother-in-law, his name was also enlisted there, fine. Then what he did, amid this COVID-19, he thought that he is the only person, he is the only source of income in his family, so he have to earn the money. What he did, he traveled from his home to the office by bike, carrying mask, sanitizer. And what he did, reaching the office, entering his own cabin, he sprayed the sanitizer in his table, chair, in his entire, laptop, computer, mobile phone, and in the walls also, in the full walls, because he knows that if he will be fired from his own company, then he will not get any other job. Then how he will be able to feed his family? It's not
Yeah,
possible. It's the most drastic things ever. That
exactly.
private
Yeah.
company job.
A lot of people are they lost their jobs, even they are
Yes,
suffering now
correct.
itself also, yeah, nowadays also,
Yeah.
yeah, but there is no remedy. What we can do? Nothing.
Nothing is
Yeah, no,
there.
yeah,
Ma'am,
no,
that's why, ma'am, that's why people always consider that, what the main thing is, ma'am, see, private company is, to some extent, it's easy to crack it. Be, put on the formal approach the interview, have a good communication skill, then you can easily, there will be a chance to get hired. But
ex-
government job is tough. to get. You have to crack exam. You will have to come. Then you will have to go for the viva. It's couple of steps are there. But once you will be able to crack those exam, your life is full settled. That is the main thing.
Yeah, Sayan, it's almost 35 minutes our video.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
a final conclusion that like please wear the mask and use sanitizer, and if any
Okay.
urgency is there, then like for doing any jobs, like no, yeah, we have to go outside, otherwise you don't go
Yeah.
outside and take risk, and don't put in your risk your family also.
Exactly. Correct.
Thank you so much
Exactly, ma'am.
for doing a
Thank
part
you,
of it.
ma'am. Thank you.
Valuable time. Yeah, I hope you
Thank you,
like
ma'am.
please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and give motivation, and hit the bell button for more amazing content. Then only you will get my notifications. Okay,
Yes, correct.
until then, stay tuned. Until then, bye for everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Yeah.
watching. Stay home,
Thank you,
stay
ma'am.
safe, smiling. All the
Yeah.
best, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye,
Yes.
Sayan. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye.